Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 0x80073d01 when installing or uninstalling Microsoft Store apps on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is WS reset. So press the Windows key and the R key to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter to reset the Microsoft Store cache and relaunch Microsoft Store. In most of the cases, this will help, but if it does not, we have a very easy resolution for you, which is to re-register the Microsoft Store. Now, I have a command for you. I'll share it in the description section of the video. Simply copy it, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, paste it here, hit enter. Okay, this will fix the problem. Now, what does this mean by re-registering the Microsoft Store? Basically, it means that there is no option to uninstall the Microsoft Store, so this will uninstall and reinstall it automatically. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.